Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of pinewood art craft. Known for its versatility, affordability, and beautiful grain patterns, pinewood is a favorite among artisans and crafters alike. In this video, we'll explore the unique properties of pine, share tips on selecting the best pieces, and guide you through creating stunning art pieces that can elevate your craft business. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, you'll discover how to harness the charm of pine wood to create beautiful, marketable art. Let's get started. Pine wood is a treasure in the world of woodworking, and its secrets lie in its unique characteristics and versatility. Here, what makes pine wood special for crafting art? Affordability. Pine is one of the most cost-effective woods available, making it accessible for both hobbyists and professional artisans. Workability. It's easy to cut, shape, and sand, allowing for intricate designs and detailed work. This quality makes it ideal for both beginners and experienced woodworkers. Lightweight. Pine is relatively lightweight, which is advantageous for creating larger pieces that are easier to handle and transport. Natural beauty. The warm tones and distinct grain patterns of pine add natural beauty to any art piece. It can be left natural, stained, or painted to suit various styles. Sustainability. Pine is often sourced from sustainable forests, making it an eco-friendly choice for conscious crafters. Versatile uses. From furniture to decorative art, pine can be used in a variety of projects, including sculptures, wall art, and home decor items. Finishing options. Pine takes stains and finishes well, allowing artists to enhance its appearance and protect the wood, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor projects. By understanding these secrets, you can unlock the full potential of pine wood in your art crafts, creating beautiful, marketable pieces that stand out. The secret of pine wood art: how to make for profit. Creating pine wood art for profit involves a blend of creativity, craftsmanship, and business savvy. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Understand your market. Research popular trends in home decor and art. Identify your target audience. Are they looking for rustic, modern, or functional art pieces? 2. Select quality pine wood. Choose high-quality pine that is free of knots and defects. Consider sourcing from sustainable suppliers to appeal to eco-conscious customers. 3. Design your art pieces. Sketch out your designs, keeping in mind what resonates with your audience. Consider creating a range of products, such as wall art signs, sculptures, furniture, small tables, shelves, decor items, coasters, candle holders. 4. Gather your tools and materials. Essential tools include saws, sanders, drills, and finishing supplies. Don't forget safety equipment like goggles and gloves. 5. Crafting process. Cutting, measure, and cut your wood according to your design. Shaping, sand the edges and surfaces to ensure a smooth finish. Assembly. If your design requires multiple pieces, assemble them carefully. Finishing. Apply stains, paints, or finishes to enhance the wood's natural beauty and protect it. 6. Market your creations. Take high-quality photos of your finished products. Create an online presence through social media, Etsy, or your own website. Attend local craft fairs and markets to showcase your work. 7. Pricing your art. Calculate the cost of materials and your time. Research similar products to determine competitive pricing. 8. Engage with your customers. Share your crafting process through videos or blog posts. Encourage feedback and respond to customer inquiries promptly. By leveraging these steps and the unique qualities of pine wood, you can create beautiful art pieces that not only sell but also resonate with your audience, turning your passion into a profitable business. The secret of pine wood art: how to make design. Creating stunning designs with pine wood art involves a combination of creativity, planning, and craftsmanship. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you design and make your pine wood art. 1. Inspiration and conceptualization. Research. Look for inspiration in nature, architecture, or existing art pieces. Platforms like Pinterest and Instagram can be great sources. Sketch ideas. Draw rough sketches of your concepts. Focus on shapes, sizes, and overall aesthetics. 2. Choosing your design style. Rustic. Emphasize the natural grain and texture of pine. Modern. Use clean lines and geometric shapes. Functional art. Create pieces that serve a purpose, like shelves or coat racks. 3. Select your materials. Pine wood. Decide on the thickness and type of pine, e.g., eastern white pine, southern yellow pine. Additional materials. Consider adding metal, glass, or paint for mixed media designs. 4. Design planning. Measurements. Determine the dimensions of your final piece. Make sure it fits your intended space. Templates. Create templates for intricate cuts or shapes. Use cardboard or paper to visualize your designs. 5. Cutting and shaping. Tools needed. Gather necessary tools such as a jigsaw, circular saw, and sanders. Cutting. Carefully cut your pine wood according to your design. Always follow safety protocols. Shaping. Use sanders to smooth edges and surfaces, giving your piece a refined look. 6. Assembly. If your design includes multiple components, assemble them using wood glue, screws, or nails. Ensure everything is aligned properly and secure. 7. Finishing touches. Staining painting. Choose a stain or paint that complements your design. Test on a scrap piece first. Sealing. Apply a clear coat finish to protect your art and enhance its appearance. 8. Final inspection. Check for any rough spots or imperfections. Sand down any areas that need smoothing. Make sure all components are securely attached. 9. Showcasing your work. Take high-quality photos of your finished design for marketing. Consider creating a portfolio to showcase your range of work. Tips for success. Experiment. Don't hesitate to try different designs and techniques. Seek feedback. Share your designs with friends or fellow artists for constructive criticism. Stay inspired. Continuously seek inspiration from nature, art, and community. By following these steps and embracing the unique characteristics of pine wood, you can create beautiful and marketable designs that stand out in the world of wood art. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the wonderful world of pine wood art. We've explored the unique properties that make pine a fantastic medium for crafting, from its affordability and workability to its natural beauty. Remember, the key to creating stunning pine wood art lies in your creativity and attention to detail. As you embark on your own pine wood projects, don't forget to experiment with different designs and techniques. Whether you're making functional pieces or purely decorative art, the possibilities are endless. Share your creations with us and connect with fellow artisans to inspire and support each other. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tutorials on woodcraft. We can't wait to see what you create. Until next time, happy crafting.